In this video, I will show you on how to edit your own footage or your own video in Snapchat without any stress. Let me show you how. First thing first, open up your Snapchat app. After you open up your Snapchat app right here, next thing you want to do is to simply go ahead and click on here to open up the slider. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on director mode. Then from director mode right here, simply record a simple clip. So click on that to start. Just like so. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on preview. Recording. So you can record as many as possible. Then go ahead and click on the footage video that you want to record. Once you are done with your recording, now you are here. So this particular video here, you can replace it with your own video. How do you do that? What you need to do right here is to come down below right here from the tool right here, slide this way, continue to slide. So what you need to do right here is to go ahead and make sure the video is selected. Having selected the video, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on replace icon. And it's going to open up your camera roll. Then from your camera roll right here, you can select any video that you want to edit in your Snapchat. So for that, I can decide to select this video right here. I can decide to select as many as possible video file. I'm going to select this also, and then I can go ahead and click on this particular check mark. This allows me to upload the video into the editing panel in Snapchat. So just like so, we have the video being imported right here. Now let's play the video. Just like so. Then we can start to edit the video. We can decide to cut some part of the video. I can select on this part from the beginning, click on split. I can decide to click on the split one right here. I can decide to delete it from the beginning right here. Or better still, I can decide to start the video from this part right here. And I can decide to cut some part from this video. Everything depends on what exactly you really want to achieve as far as the video is concerned. Once you are done, all you have to do is to simply hit on next and follow the prompt to post the video into your Snapchat. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use Snapchat editor, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.